Let us join Naoris Testnet. The PIN project has recently been in vogue, and if you check in my channel, you will see a particular video where I listed over 19 DePIN projects that you can get involved in and then how to also jump on them. If you check by the top right, you will see a link that will take you to that video. But meanwhile, let us jump on Naoris protocol testnet. Naoris is backed by $31 million in funding. Naoris protocol is a decentralized cybersecurity network that uses security hive mind to detect and mitigate threats in real life by transforming devices into validator nodes. It ensures collective defense and trust across the ecosystem. So basically, what this is about is that when you install the extension for this Naoris into your browser, it is going to help you, it is going to serve as more like an antivirus, so to say. So when you visit sites, websites that have that have threats or threat records, it will alert you. It will also prevent you from going into such websites. But you can always whitelist such a website if the website is valid and you trust the website. So basically, this is what Naoris is about. And then you also start earning immediately. You start the testnet and you install the extension. So I'm going to take you through certain steps here on how you can join this project. So in this video, we are going to learn how to earn Naoris airdrop points while browsing. We are going to then second, decentralized threat detection, browser security nodes, block ads and trackers, enforces HTTPS and safe search, monitors threats and in real time, allow URL whitelisting or blacklisting. So now we are going to cover these steps now. Naoris wallet installation, joining the testnet, presale registration, and the Galxe quest. Now the Galxe quest, you can check the description below for the instructions or the links perform the Galxe quest. You will also check the description below for the answers to the quizzes that are also there for the Galxe quest. So without wasting much of your time, let us start the first process. So all you need to do first of all when you get here is to connect your wallet. So it says how it works. It says install wallet, connect to testnet, and now reach test points as you browse. So let us connect wallet. Now it says we should install our Naoris Chrome extension and then or MetaMask on Android or iOS. So you can, if you are doing this via your mobile device, you can go ahead and use Mrs. browser or your Kiwi browser so you will be able to install this extension. So I'm clicking to go to this extension page and then I'm going to add this extension to my account. If you are someone like me, you will see that if you check on my browser properly, you will see so many extensions already listed up here. These are extensions, these are the PIN projects that I am presently farming, and also I am farming these projects also on a VPS which I procured online. On the same video I mentioned just now about the DePIN project, over 19 DePIN projects that I am farming, I also included there the link to a VPS provider where you can buy at least $10 worth of VPS per month, where you can farm all this. And you know VPS farms 24/7, it does not stop 24/7. So you have higher rate of points accumulation when it comes to that. If you check on the description below, you will see the link and also the referral code to buy the cheap VPS. You can buy as low as $6, but I would advise you go for from $10 upwards, because by the time you start installing all the extensions and nodes, your system will start slowing down a bit. So you need at least the $10 worth, which is about 4 gig RAM. Naoris has been added to our Chrome extension. So next thing we need to do, enable the extension. So I click on it so I can continue. It says create a new wallet. You can either create a new wallet or you sign in with a seed phrase. So I'm going to create a new wallet. So you check for the referral code in the description below, create wallet. So let us go ahead and click on the wallet and sign in. So the next thing is to visit this link. If you check the description, you will see this link. It says Start Testnet, Connect Wallet. Start Testnet. Thanks, you will be redirected to Naoris protocol tags shortly. Install browser security node. So in other words, you are installing two different extensions for this same task. After you must have installed the second extension, you now come back to the same page and click on login with X. This is now where you have to connect your X account. All right, so next we have to follow on X. Then after that, we can now claim points. Proceed. So we have followed now, so we click on claim points. All tasks completed. Right. Points will be added to the dashboard. To ensure that you will always earn from Naoris as long as you are using your browser, click on the Naoris protocol extension, the red one, not the green one, the red one, and enable turn on protection, this here. So henceforth, as you work, as you surf the internet, both on your mobile or on your desktop, you will be protected from Naoris. At any time you try to visit the website and it tells you it's been blacklisted, you can easily add the site to whitelist. Now let us head to the next task, which is to register for the presale. To be eligible for presales, use the link for the third task in the description to arrive at this page where you will have to register your email address, click on agree to privacy policy, and then you subscribe. The next task, which is number 4, you will find in the description below, which is the Galxe link. So all you just need to do is click on the Galxe link, and then it brings you to this page where you have to sign in with your Galxe ID and then go ahead and perform these tasks. Some of them do have quiz in them. You will see the answers to the quiz in the description below. This will be all for now. Thank you very much, and I hope you have subscribed to this channel. I will be bringing more updates your way as events unfold. Bye bye.